This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Curt Barger. This is a Blue Ridge find. A prime mountain home or getaway close to downtown Blue Ridge. Mountain living with near-town convenience. The house features a large floor plan for comfortable living with all of the cabin feel from a Keith Sumner built prow front. Enjoy the evenings from the screened porch with a cozy wood-burning fireplace or the view from the deck in the spacious hot tub. The porch offers spectacular seasonal long-range mountain views. Year-round views are possible with some trimming. This home comes turnkey, complete with furnishings on a separate bill of sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Curt Barger at 706-633-9088.